Games for children. Let us rhyme. We have several affirmations, prayers, and songs for children here on this channel. Let us see how carefully you have read them and how well you do at rhyming words. So, read the prayers below and say which one rhymes with one of our recommended prayers for children at bedtime. Prayer 1. Now I sit me down to eat. I bless the Lord for my meat. If my granny makes that pie, I'll give her thanks. That's no lie. Prayer 2. Now I wake the day to meet. My blessed Jesus, my soul will greet. If there's an angel outside my room, I know he'll save me from all doom. Prayer 3. God took my burden, I will not weep. I know his love for me is deep. And should he wish my soul to take, my peace with him I want to make. Prayer 4. Of all the things that God would take, it's time to love me for Jesus' sake. And should he bless my life today, my love for him is here to stay. So, which one did you think it was? Was it prayer 1? Or prayer 2? Or prayer 3? Or prayer 4? The answer is prayer 3. So did you get that right? Well done, well done. But if you didn't get it right, you should look for the bedtime prayer, now I lay me down to sleep. Compare it with those other prayers and see if you don't think that prayer 3 is the best answer.